For automotive software bring-up and validation, Cadence solutions enable the rapid creation of virtual and hybrid platforms. Helium Virtual Studio leverages Cadence's best-in-class verification engines and provides designers with a unified platform that accelerates overall verification throughput. Helium Virtual Studio enables early software bring-up for hardware-software co-verification and co-debug, provides comprehensive support for platform assembly, enables the creation and debug of virtual models, and offers a rich library of pre-built virtual models and hybrid adapters. Since Virtual Platform can run almost in real time, the target application can be tested within the system context before RTL code or the test chip is available. As a result, software development and validation can start earlier, which helps to significantly reduce the cost for expensive hardware prototypes. Moreover, the so-called shift-left approach also helps to reduce the overall development time and accelerates time to market. As ASIC and SoC designs mature through the Cadence digital verification flow, Helium Virtual Studio can extend the virtual platform to a hybrid platform by integrating Cadence Palladium emulators and Cadence Protium FPGA prototyping in the RTL design process for pre-silicon access. This dynamic duo of Cadence emulation and FPGA prototyping delivers comprehensive IP SoC design verification, system validation, hardware and software regressions, and early software development. In addition, Helium Virtual Studio's gear shift technology enables hot swap software execution from virtual to RTL and provides the software bring-up speed and the accuracy of RTL when needed. It also enables hardware-software co-debug running software on a virtual core or RTL core for early defect detection to eliminate costly redesigns. Supporting engineers in creating next-generation applications, Cadence Helium Virtual and Hybrid Studio delivers the necessary speed for early pre-silicon software bring-up, and the dynamic duo provides the accuracy required for pre-silicon hardware-software co-verification. Connect with Cadence to learn more.